So, um, Christ, see, he was separate from the persecution, all the bad things that happened. Sure, he felt them. You know, he felt the pain when somebody hit him, for example, but he remained detached from it. But the key is, see now, you hear talk of detachment, and that's good. But with the detachment comes an attachment to God. So if you attach to God, then you detach from the world. The more you're attached to God, to principle, to what's right, to what you know deeply in your heart. See, what happened was when over your life you have become distant from it. You doubted what you knew in your heart. You saw people getting away with stuff and people doing bad things and seemingly not getting punished for it. And you heard that some things in life are important and just having money and things is not important. But then everybody acted as if having money and having things was important. And you knew grades weren't that important, that friendship and so on was more important. But everybody acted like getting good grades was more important. And you began to doubt yourself. And you went along with the world. And then you fell away from what you knew in your heart. So to the extent that you can pull back and be close to it. See? So when things happen, you see them happen. You don't have to like them. And it's not that you're being cold about them or uncaring. You can be concerned, but just not worried. You see the difference between being concerned and being worried? You remember when you were a kid and your parents were worried about you. Remember how you didn't like that? It's okay to be concerned. So yeah, there are things to be concerned about. But don't let it get to you. That's the thing. Don't let it get to you. We know that. We know that we shouldn't let it get to us, but we do. And why? Because we fall away from what we know in our heart. We fall away from that formal feeling, from that little bit of mental distance. See? I heard this told. I didn't hear him say it, but I heard it told about him, something that they said that he said. And the source of who said it was credible, so I think it's true. They're talking about General Schwarzkopf, a great army general. Somebody asked him, they said, have you ever been in danger? Has your life ever been in danger? And he said, yes. And they said, well, what did you do? He said, I don't know how to describe it exactly, but I pulled back within myself and the danger passed and I was safe. It's something like that.